What's the meaning of alchemist? Alchemist. 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 Alchemist.
The term alchemist refers to a person who practices the art of alchemy. This ancient practice is characterized by attempts to transform base metals into gold, find the elixir of life, and create a universal panacea. Alchemy also had a spiritual or mystical aspect, with practitioners seeking spiritual enlightenment and transformation. In modern times, the term alchemist is often used more broadly to refer to someone who is skilled at transforming or transmuting things in their life, whether it be relationships, emotions, or personal growth.